Hi everyone, I'm Austin from Dayrize, and we've developed intelligent software that can turn product information into environmental and social impact insight. Now this is Brian Cornell. He's the CEO of Target. He started using the Dayrize technology last year and he loves it. Let me tell you why. Brian, like many CEOs, has made a commitment for his company to become carbon neutral. Now Brian sells 1.5 million different types of products at Target. Do you know how many he knows the carbon footprint of? 0. And this is Brian's problem. The traditional way of measuring the impact of a product was done manually. You would hire a big consultancy group and they would send around some consultants to manually map your supply chain. It would normally take about 6 months per product and cost around $30,000 per product. Now, Brian has 1.5 million products, and that's a $45 billion commitment. Clearly not something that Brian can do. So we set out to automate this process, to use software to do that and solve Brian's problems. Here's how it works. The first way is we create a direct data feed into our partners' backend to extract all their product information. Now, that information is always imperfect. There is always fragmented or missing information about a particular product. And that's the first way that our product works. We've got intelligent software that can accurately fill in missing information in someone's supply chain to give them an accurate view of the product. This is very important to be able to give a precise impact measurement, even when there is missing information. So we then have a full picture of the product. We have a mix of primary and secondary data, the first way the technology works. Once we have that information, the second way the technology works is it turns all that information into robust impact information and serves that back to Brian and tells him where he should be investing his resources in order to get further in his journey towards net zero. A few numbers about our business. It took us 2 years to create our technology. It's a very insightful and difficult technology to build, and we had a team of 80+ people working on it. There are 3 things that make our technology unique. The first one is it's fully automated, which is very important when working with companies the size of Target. The second one is it's future-proof. So we measure impact across many dimensions of sustainability, not just carbon. We measure carbon, biodiversity impact, water impact, and social impact. So as regulation changes, Brian doesn't need to change his software. And lastly, we can score any consumer product group. So whether it's health and beauty products, or fashion products, or food and beverage products, Brian can use one technology for all of his products in his store. And lastly, there's 500 million consumer products in the world, and we intend to score every single one of them. So we've been live since April last year when we launched our technology, and we found product market fit with large retailers and large brands, such as the ones that you see on your screen. And we're actually starting to see traction with actually retailers introducing us to other retailers, as Target introduced us to Walmart recently because they want to use one software across both retailers. We already have $3 million in contracted revenue for 2023. Thanks for your time.